Excuse me, may I come in, sir?
Oh, yeah, sure. Yes, come in, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Oh, thank you. I'm also fine. How I can help you?
Sir, I can open a bank account. Please suggest me how can I open a bank account.
Oh, fine. Okay. I will give you the detail at this moment. Okay. Too often an bank account just need three passport size photo of you and one photo of nominee and need just national ID photocopy and here has a form and note down or fill up this form with carefully about your information, location, and need a copy of bill, any type of bill, that means gas bill or bank bill and water bill, photocopy of water bill. And after completing this form with this document and need at least 500 or 1000 Dhaka, then I will or we will open your bank account. And there has another needed one guarantor who know you and who has an account in our bank. And through this process, you can open a bank account.
Oh yes,
Please.
thank you, sir. I fill up it. I also fill up it and take, and I remind that
Yes.
many time our bank account hack.
Yes.
But I know this reason why bank account is hacking.
Okay, fine. This is very interesting question. In the world, a lot of people who want to be a millionaire, billionaire, and who want to switch or snatch other money through in the wrong way. And for this way, a lot of hackers try to hack the account and try to grab up money to be rich. And this is very punishable and crime. And our banking system and our bank is very conscious about this. We follow the strong procedure to avoid this hack.
Last 15 seconds.
Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your good suggestion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. See you again. Best of luck. Please come soon. Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.